Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can share your iCloud calendar with another person on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, open up the calendar app. In here, tap on calendars, and then in calendars, go to the iCloud section and select a calendar that you would like to share. So tap on the information button right here, and then tap on add person in the share with section, and then in here type in the person that you want to share with. So select a contact and then tap on add. Next, tap on done, and then tap on done to finish. Now it may take some time for the other person to receive the invitations. So here it is. So I can tap on it. So you can see it say, do I want to join work schedule for 2022? So I can either tap on join calendar or decline. So I'm going to choose join calendar and then tap on done. And that's it. So that is how we can share an iCloud calendar with another person on the iPhone 13 running iOS 15. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.